Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this is for my iPhone 8 in 2023 video. Here's some B-roll. I didn't record the clips long enough, so what I want to do is play it and then have it reverse. So yeah, to reverse the video, first thing you want to do is hold down Alt and then move the clip. And this just makes a copy of your clip and put them right next to each other. Now if you only want the reverse clip, then you don't have to do this, but if you want the normal clip and then the reverse clip, then you have to do that. So now select the clip that you want reversed, right click on it, then click speed and duration, then check reverse speed, click OK. If I play this out, you can see the normal clip and then the reverse clip. Then it will reverse. So yeah, this can be difficult for your computer, so the video might start to lag. So what you can do is click up here and change the quality down so it doesn't play back in as high quality, which makes it not lag. This doesn't affect the actual quality of your video, but it just makes it so it's easier for the computer to play it back. Because as I mentioned, it's hard on your computer, so this might make it take longer to export. But yeah, so that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.